I'm gonna check on the motor for my car. Brian Roast Race Engines, man. He's the best. He's the best around here. Dundalk, Maryland, baby. Yep. Let's see where he's at. More chance, girl. These 5 words, I swear, you didn't grieve. I wanna be here for you. Hey, Brian. What's up, man? How are you, brother? What you working on there? Huh? Hey, you don't mind if I do this, do you? I know Jason doesn't like it too much. As soon as I put the camera down, he starts talking. I pick the camera up, he gets quiet and walks away.
Jason's bashful.
What you working on, man?
Big black Chevrolet.
Oh, okay. Got all kind of stuff going on. I didn't know your shop went back this far.
Didn't used to.
This thing's pretty.
That's like yours. This small black Chevy.
Yeah. All billet. Yeah. What's this thing?
The balance machine.
Oh, for cranks?
For cranks, yeah.
Okay. I saw that block sitting up there. Is that mine?
That would be yours.
That thing looks pretty.
State of the art.
Yeah. Did you hear anything on them pistons yet from the place?
Pistons are going to be going to the coaters sometime this week.
Oh, they're going to send them to the coating place?
Yeah. Well, you remember how the last ones we did had
Yeah.
the black anodized on? Yours would be the same way.
Okay.
Before it had gaps on the sides.
Yeah, you got that. It was the front that you carved down, huh?
Oh, yeah. On both front and back.
Yeah.
Fasten it down here.
Fascinating. What'd you do? Oh, man, that looks really good. Yeah. You're the man, bro.
A little bit better than that.
Yeah, you're the man.
Like I say, everything's got to be kind of be tailored towards your deck height and stuff.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of work to do on the front for the gear drive. These are
What, you
holes.
honing this out right here?
No, it's just holding, it's clamping it in the machine.
Oh, okay.
So these are the holes we got to address here for the gear drive assembly. These holes got to be ½ inch.
Really?
We're 3/8 now. Yeah,
Okay, you got it. All these?
Just these two
These
here
two.
and these two on this side.
Yeah.
And all that clears your belt drive like it's supposed to. See, the other one, like Innovatives, the belt drive came out here and here and went over these holes. So your gear drive bolted to that on the Innovatives, but because we got a Jessel, it's got to be a little bit different.
All this stuff fits the
Other than this, which like I say, we already made this, we're addressing that. Up towards making some new stuff.
Oh yeah. Did you contact them about that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They gonna send you some out?
I sent 2 of them up there so they could just duplicate them and make them the length that we need them.
Yeah. The sucker looks good though. What do you do all that fancy shit in there
It's all
for?
CNC'd. It's just how the program's written.
Oh, okay.
They want them to look fancy like that. That's what you pay all that money for.
Yeah.
Same thing. This is a lot nicer than the last one we did. This one here, we made the one that was on the previous one that we saw here. This is a nicer deal. I like to say you got to do a little bit of work to make it fit the way you want it to fit.
Yeah.
You can handle that.
What do you got in that thing? The Jessel, you got the gears and shit in there? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Belt drive stuff.
You like those, huh? Those your favorite ones?
Yeah. I like these better than the Innovatives.
Nice. That's good, man. I'm excited. Well, getting there. So I got to get this ready, take this down to Jason. He wants to have it ready by next week. We'll take that down to Jason's 1320 by next week.
Like I say, I'll touch base with him. I want to see what he's doing as far as the motor plate on that thing. Just to.
Oh, any luck on the pan?
Malaysia's working on that.
Are they?
I talked to them Monday about that.
They say any time on a ETA?
Should be within the next few weeks.
Yeah. Shoot, so then I need to wait for that.
No, I don't think Jason's going to need that because you have that Outlaw K number where everything steering wise is in front of the motor.
Right.
That's a two-piece pan. That pan splits the way you can inspect the bearing and stuff like that.
Okay.
That's the thing with these hybrid things. It's so much stuff. It's custom.
That's about what it is. So we're getting there. Working on it. We're getting there. All right, guys. Brian Rose Race Engines. He's the man. Peace.